outreach event is going to be with Mark Ritchie, who is coming to do his comedy show Bob's Not My Uncle, and that is going to be on Saturday the 14th of March at 7 p.m. Now we're getting you to invite all your friends and family along. Tickets are going to be just £5 and it's aimed at everyone who is at high school and above really. So we want you to come along, support this, get your friends and family here to hear the gospel through the comedy of Mark Ritchie.
Let it rise, let praise arise.
Ladies, our next devoted event is coming up on Saturday the 29th of February and it's Pizza and Play. So you can get your tickets today for just £7 for an evening of fun, games and food and time together, and that will be starting from 6 p.m. on the 29th of Feb. So sign up today via the website or exchange.
Let praise arise. We'll see you break down every wall.
On Sunday the 9th of February, we'll be having our next baptismal service. So if you're a follower of Jesus and you haven't yet taken this important step, then why not sign up today? You can speak to one of our church leaders or pick up a leaflet from the foyer for more information about baptism.
Creation cry, God, we praise you. Oh.
Excel Unite is going to be happening in the next few months, and this is where all of church comes together for one service. So join us on Sunday the 22nd of March, which is also Mother's Day, and you can join us for a great service at 11 a.m. at RSA Academy in Tipton. See you there.
Let it rise, let faith.
Have you ever wanted to throw an axe at someone and are you aged 16 to 35? Then we've got something just for you, because our live event is going to be axe throwing on the 15th of February. That's for anyone aged 16 to 35 and you can come along to that, get some practice in at chucking them axes. If you want to come along, then you need to get your deposit in of £5.50 by the 2nd of February. You can speak to Will for more information about the axe throwing.
We praise you, say, oh, we praise you.
That's everything for XL News for this week. We hope you have a great one. Remember, you can check out our website and social media for any details of anything that's going on here. See you next Sunday for more XL News.